Good day everyone, I am Julia Melukib and today I am going to continue the report which is improving the test item. Example number 2. A class is composed of 50 students. Use 27% to get the upper and the lower groups. Analyze the item given the following results. Option D is the correct answer. What will you do with the test item? Okay, as you can see in the table, there is an options which is A, B, C, D, and E. So there is upper group 27% and lower group 27%. So in the solution given, option D is the correct answer. So the upper group in the option D is 6 and the lower group in the option D is 4. So to compute the difficulty index, we need to use the plus sign. So small n is equals to 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. So the big N here is 28. So asa man nato nagikuha ang 28? So mao na siya ang total number of the students who take the exam. 28. So here is the formula to compute the difficulty index. df is equals to small n over big N. So df is equals to our small n here is number 10. Okay, 10 over 28 which is the big N. So df is equals to, we need to add 10 divided by 28 is equals to 0.36 or 36%. So only 36% of the examinees got the answer correctly, though the item is difficult. So to compute the discrimination index, we need to use the minus sign. Okay, CUG is equals to 6 and CLG is equals to 4. So the D here is 14. Why? 14, asa man nato nagikuha ang 14? So, muna siya ang students nga nag-take of exam sa lower group. So, here is the formula to compute the discrimination index. DI is equals to CUG minus CLG over D. So, okay, DI is equals to CUG 6 minus CLG 4 over D 14. So 6 minus 4 is equals to 2 over 14. So DI is equals to 2 divided by 14 is equals to 0.14 or 14%. So more students from the upper group got the answer correctly, though it has a positive discrimination. So to modify option B and E, we need to modify the option B and E because more of students from the upper group chose them compared with the lower group. Hence, they are not effective distractors because most of the students who perform well in the overall examination selected them as their answers. So, in option A and C, we need to retain because most of the students who did not perform well in the overall examination selected them as the correct answer, though option A and C are effective distractors. So let's continue to the example number 3. A class is composed of 50 students. So use 27% to get the upper and the lower groups. So analyze the item given the following results. Option E is the correct answer. So what will you do with the test item? So as you can see in the table, there is an option which is A, B, C, D, and E. So upper group and lower group. So as the solution said, option E is the correct answer. So we need first is we need to compute the difficulty index. So the formula of the difficulty index is df is equals to small n over big N. So, unsa man ang atong i-solve diri? Of course, the option E, the 5 and 8. So, in difficulty index, we need to use the plus sign. So, 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. The big N here is 28. 28 is number of students who take the exams. So, okay. df is equals to small n, which is 13, over 28, which is big N. So, to divide, 13 divided by 28 is equals to 0.46 or 46%. So, 46 of the students got the answer to test items correctly, though the test item is moderately difficult. So, let's proceed to discrimination index. The formula of discrimination index to compute is di is equals to CUG minus CLG over D. So, okay, CUG here is 5. And the CLG here is 8. So, 5 minus 8 over D, which is 14. So, 5 minus 8 is equals to negative 3 over 14. So, negative 3 divided by 14 is equals to 0.21 or 21%. So, more students from the lower group got the item correctly. Therefore, it is a negative discrimination. The discrimination index is negative 21%. So, no need to analyze the distractors because the item discriminates negatively. So, we need to modify all the distractors because they are not effective. Most of the students in the upper group chose the incorrect options. The options are effective if most of the students in the lower group chose the incorrect options. That could be all. Thank you.